How to change your Microsoft Teams display name. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can change your Microsoft Teams display name. So in order to change the display name of your Microsoft Teams account, you'll need to follow these simple steps. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply click over to your profile picture at the top right corner. Now make sure that this particular setting is not managed itself within the Teams, especially if you are holding a free plan. So instead, what we're going to do is we will navigate to the Microsoft account settings. So to do that, you need to simply click onto this My Microsoft account. And once you will click to this, you will be redirected to the browser and you can see an interface like this. Now in this particular interface, you can see various tabs right here, and one such tab is your info. So simply click onto this your info option, and within your info you will see this option at the top, which is to change your profile photo, and just below that you will see your full name. So you can simply edit this by clicking onto this edit name button right here, and it will open a dialog box from where you can type in your new first name and your new last name and then click onto the save button, and your changes will be reflected within the Teams in a few moments, or you can simply restart it again. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.